Hello, this is my video for the proof of the cosine law. We can start off by drawing a triangle like this. We'll label the vertices A, B, C, and then we'll also just write in the sides and give it a height labeled H, which will split it into two right-angle triangles. I want to start off by writing down that the cosine of angle A is equal to the H that I wrote down over angle C. Then we can use algebra to multiply both sides by c and see that c cos of A equals h. And then what we're gonna want to do is subtract that from side B to get the measurement that we would get from point D to point C as drawn on my triangle. So from getting that, we end up with the length of CD is equal to the length of B minus C cos of A. Okay, so in this part, I got messed up and I realized that the cosine of A is actually like the line segment AD divided by C. So I just went back and fixed that. Anyways, another thing that I did was I wrote down what the equivalence of sine A would equal for angle A, which that is equivalent to H over C because it is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Then again, we can apply algebra to multiply both sides by C, and you end up with C sine A equals H. Furthermore, we're going to need to use the Pythagorean theorem, which by doing that, we get the length of side A squared is equal to the line segment CD squared plus H squared, because there's the right angle triangle in there. Now, based on what we've wrote earlier, the line segment CD is equal to B minus C cos of A, and the line segment H is equivalent to C sine of A. So we will substitute those in for the values. And then through algebra, you're able to multiply them out, and then you simplify them to end up with a squared plus b squared, a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of A.